vxf9 door lock installation video tutorial. First, an introduction, front and rear panels and accessories. Front panel, rear panel, lock body and accessories, cylinder and screws, whole cover plate and decorative ring. Installation accessory pack, including square spindle and its spring, long double-ended screw tubes, short double-ended screw tubes, bamboo joint through bolts, short through bolts. Installation and user manual. Installation template, paper template. Preparing accessories and installing lock body and cylinder before installation. First, assemble the paper template. Cutout area along solid line C on the template. Paste the cutout area onto dashed line B, aligning the center lines. Attach the prepared paper template to the door, with the cylinder hole about 1 meter from the ground. Drill holes and chisel recesses on the door according to the template. Please refer to the final result. Next, confirm the length of the square spindle and the deadlock flat bar. Take out the rear panel. Remove the peephole display screen, unscrew the 3 screws, and attach the cover plate. Remove the square spindle and its spring. Insert the thinner end of the spring into the square spindle. Then, insert the square spindle into the handle area of the rear panel. Install the rear panel, the knob flat bar, and the square spindle into the lock body and the door. Mark the excess length of the square spindle and flat bar protruding from the door. Remove the square spindle and flat bar, and cut off the excess length. The length adjustment of the square spindle and flat bar is now complete. Next, install the lock body. Pay attention to the handing of the latch bolt. If the handing is incorrect, the latch bolt on the lock body needs to be reversed. Refer to a separate video tutorial for instructions on reversing the latch bolt. Prepare the screws for securing the lock body. Place the lock body into the door and install the screws. Next, install the cylinder. Insert the cylinder with the keyhole facing the outside of the door. Then insert the cylinder screw, align it with the screw hole, and tighten it. Note, the length of the cylinder tailpiece, measured from the door surface, should be approximately 20 to 25 millimeters. After installing the cylinder, use the key to lock and unlock, testing for proper operation. Install the front panel. This is an installation diagram for reference. Take out the front panel and install 3 double-ended screw tubes on the front. First, feed the front panel's connecting wires through the door. Then insert the front panel screw tubes into the door holes, ensuring they are flush against the door. Take out the pre-prepared hole cover plate with the through-bolt screws inserted. Thread the screws into the screw tubes and tighten them slightly with a screwdriver. This will temporarily secure the front panel to the door. Next, install the rear cover plate. Take the rear cover plate, thread the connecting wires through it, and place it against the door. Take 2 through-bolt screws, insert them through the screw holes of the rear cover plate, thread them into the front panel screw tubes, and tighten them slightly. Check if the front panel is level and properly aligned. Adjust the position of the cover plate to ensure the center of its screw hole aligns with the center of the lock body's square spindle hole. Once confirmed correct, tighten all 3 screws securely. Next, install the rear panel. Take out the rear panel and connect the front and rear panel wiring harnesses. Tap the wiring harness into the door, leaving some slack to facilitate later connection of the square spindle, cylinder flat bar, and deadlock flat bar. After tucking the wires, insert the square spindle into the lock body square hole, the cylinder flat bar into the motor hole, and the deadlock flat bar into the lock body's deadlock hole. Connect each corresponding port correctly for the rear panel to sit flush against the rear cover plate. Thread all the cover plate screws on lightly, adjust the position, then tighten them to install the rear panel. Turn the handle and the deadlock knob to check if the lock body's bolts extend and retract normally. Debugging the complete lock and changing the handing. Install the batteries and the peephole display screen and check if the system powers on normally. Press the lock button on the front panel's keypad to test if the motor drives the lock body to lock, unlock properly, and if there is any abnormal noise. If the bolt handing is reversed, you can press 111 hash, then 1 hash, then 1 to adjust the handing. Finally, press asterisk to exit the menu. Then press the lock button or use fingerprint to unlock, etc. to check if the handing is now correct. After normal debugging, install the whole cover decorative ring and tighten it by hand. The The door lock installation is now complete. End of tutorial. vxF9 door lock feature usage video tutorial. First, an introduction to the exterior features. This is the facial and palm vein recognition area, keypad, quad swipe area, privacy lock button, doorbell button, fingerprint recognition area, mechanical key unlocking point. Description of the optimal touch area for the numeric keypad. For the left column of numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, asterisk, the optimal touch area is 2 mm to the right of the digits. For the left column of numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, asterisk, the optimal touch area is 2 mm to the right of the digits. Next, look at the rear panel. This is the peephole display screen. Press the touch key to display the rear camera view. Press the touch key again to display the front camera view. On the left is the unlock button. Press it once. On the right is the lock button. Press it once. This is the privacy lock knob. Handing setting, drawer swing setting. With factory default settings, press 111 hash.
1. Installation settings.
Press E.
1. Opening direction, right open. 2. Delay lock, disable. 3. Lock settings. 4. Face recognition settings.
Press 1 to switch the handing door opening direction.
1. Opening direction, left open.
Add users. First, add an administrator. Touch to wake up the lock. Press asterisk hash to enter the management menu.
Please enter a 6 to 8 digit password.
Enter a 6 to 8 digit password.
Input again.
Enter again.
User 000, add the button. 1. Add user. 2. Delete user. 3. System setting. 4. System query.
Press 1 to add a user.
1. Add administrator user. 2. Add regular user. 1. Add fingerprint password card. 2. Add face. 3. Add palm vein.
Press 1 to add fingerprint, password, card.
Please enter unlock information.
Place your finger on the sensitive area.
Press again. Press again. Press again. Press again. User 010. Add success. Can time is enter. Press the asterisk key to return.
Add a password.
Input again. User 011. Add success. Can time is enter. Press the asterisk key to return.
Add an IC card.
User 012. Add success.
Press asterisk to return. Select face.
1. Add fingerprint password card. 2. Add face. 3. Add palm vein.
Press 2 to add a face.
Please touch your head. Please lift your head. Please lower your head. Please touch your face towards the right side. Please touch your face towards the left side. User 014. Add success. 1. Add fingerprint password card. 2. Add face. 3. Please lower palm vein.
Press 3 to add palm vein. Place your palm.
User 015. Add success.
The demonstration of adding users is now complete. Next, add the lock to the app. Wake up the lock. Press asterisk hash. Enter the administrator password to access the management menu.
1. Add user. 2. Delete user. 3. System setting. 4. System query.
Press 3 for system settings.
1. Visit time settings. 2. Installation settings. 3. Function settings. 4. Factory reset.
Press 3 for function settings.
1. Network configuration. 2. Volume. High. 3. Dual authentication. Disable.
Press 1 for network configuration.
Setting configuration.
Open the app. Click the plus in the upper right corner. Click Add Device. Click on the lock that appears in the search results. Click Next. The app is adding the door lock. Please wait for success.
Success.
Added successfully, you can now modify the lock device's name. Click down to enter the device's home page. Press the asterisk key repeatedly to return, exit, until the lock lights turn off. Press the doorbell button to request remote unlocking. Wait for the app's video call pop-up window. Click the green answer button. Click the microphone button for video conversation. Click the switching multi-screen button to switch to the rear camera view. Long press the lock icon for remote unlocking.
Welcome home.
You can also long press the unlocked icon for remote locking. You can also click video surveillance to actively view the door lock's camera feed. You can also click member management to add users. Here we demonstrate adding a fingerprint. Adding other user types is omitted. You can also click temporary password to add users. You can also click album, log to view unlocking logs and other records. Next, performing a factory reset. Method 1. Factory reset via system menu. Wake up the lock. Press asterisk hash to enter the menu.
Please verify the administrator.
Enter the password.
1. Add user. 2. Delete user. 3. System settings. 4. System query.
Press 3 to enter system settings.
1. Visit time settings. 2. Installation settings. 3. Function settings. 4. Factory reset.
Press 4.
Factory reset. Please press the hash key to confirm. Press the asterisk key to cancel.
Press the hash key to begin factory reset. Wait for success.
Success.
Method 2. Factory reset via buttons. Simultaneously press and hold the unlock and lock buttons.
Factory reset. Please press the hash key to confirm. Press the asterisk key to cancel.
Press the hash key to confirm.
Success.
Next, using the mechanical key to unlock, open the cylinder cover, press the bottom of the cylinder with your middle finger to lift it. Grip the lifted part with your thumb and index finger. Gently pull outward to make the cylinder cover float, then rotate the cylinder cover. Insert the key fully and turn the key. Grab the cylinder cover with 2 fingers. Gently lift and rotate it back into place. The video tutorial is now complete.